Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you see right here, we have Bitcoin. Okay, I really want to do a quick case study that I took a trade on Bitcoin, of course. As you can see, it's a little bit here. Okay, it's not gonna be a long video at all. Just want to do a quick case study. So let's get into it. Overall, like from here, I can clearly see that this is like starting to be an uptrend. Okay, we're starting to have that channel and all that. We have some great supply areas right here that we can mark up, but I don't want to like keep my chart messy and all that. I want to mark up okay here. You can see this is how we're going. So after I analyze that, this is the 8 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is how it looks like. Okay, we have that lower low, lower high. Okay, right now on the lower time frame is not the on the lower time frame. I mean, as I said, 8 hour, 4 hour time frame. On the daily time frame and on the weekly one, we are of course in a downtrend. But right here we have found the trend. So right now I'm gonna go to the 1 hour time frame, and this is what happened right here. So after I saw that we never actually like broke through the structure right here, what actually happened is right now if I go to the 4 minute or something, okay, here is actual trade which we're gonna get into in a second. But yeah, we had a small mitigation of this small POI demand area. Like imagine the RR that you could have had of right here. And if you want me to zoom in, okay, this is the level. A pretty valid one. A lot of liquidity above it. It has a small imbalance that caused the actual break structure. And also like right here on the lower time frame. So absolutely love it. And after we tap into there, as you can see, we have the second, okay, here. We push to the upside. So right now, I was on the 30-minute time frame and I clearly saw this. So I saw this candle. First of all, this that actually caused all this shit to happen. Then I saw this. This is the extreme. This is just a POI. That is still okay of this trading range. It's still in the premium. Or was it? Let's just see. Yeah, it was actually still in the premium. This is the actual like equilibrium. So as you can see, it's still in the premium. So again, in our confirmation on the 10-minute time frame, because this is where I had it a little bit refined, it was right here. So I had set it okay. After we actually like did manage to break through a low, come back right here. We came back to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, we saw this breaker structure right here to the upside. I mean, on the 4 hour time frame, if I wanted to be more sure, I could have got in. Let me just move this to the side right here. So after we broke this structure, I could have just gotten in off of this small candle right here because this is again a POY. Let me just show you right here what I mean by that. This caused a breaker structure. It had it had liquidity and also it had imbalance. So let's just zoom in a little bit more. So either here or this is like what I'm talking about. This could have been a great freaking trade, but I just like took the risk one. Okay, 0.5 on the trade, and we did manage to bank a good 5.52 RR. So and I also just like aimed for these highs. This was a good trade. It did manage to take about what around 8 hours. Of course, like I monitored. I was not at the chart. I just set my alerts. After we broke through, for example, this high, I took had my stop loss right here. After we broke that high, stop loss was still right here. If I move it right here, as you can see, I could have gotten taken out, but I did not. I was good right here also at the same time. I took some partials. So good trade. Let me know what your thoughts about this. If you want to join the free community, first link in the description down below. It's a free Discord. You have a great day for the rest of your day. Peace out and